A few weeks ago, I did a ManyChat Q&A webinar and someone asked me this question. They asked, what should I do after I give away a freebie? And honestly, this is where most people leave a lot of money on the table because getting people to download your freebie is only the first step. The real question is, how can you turn that lead into a customer? And today I will show you the exact framework we use with our clients to do that. But what I've seen is that most Instagram accounts still collect leads wrong. What they are doing is that they are using a setup that looks like this. They are asking people to comment on their post. When they do that, they have a button that says send me the link, and then they click on that button, then it says here the link, and it actually then goes to a landing page. Then on the landing page, it for example has a video or an image, and then another button. They click on that button, and then there they need to fill in their information. And this is just an example of a webinar. It could, or a live class. You can have the same kind of setup for an ebook or for a guide or anything like that. Most Instagram accounts still send people to a landing page, and that just generally doesn't work. Like landing pages only convert at like 5 or 10%, while chat funnels, where you actually ask all of their information, like their first name and their email, inside the Instagram DM conversation, we see that we have a conversion rate of 50% or more. We have never seen anywhere below 50%, especially not organic traffic. So what you actually should do is you should build something like this. This is what we built for the Planet Runner. It's actually very simple. You just ask people to comment, then you send them a message like this and you ask them to click on a button. They click on the button, then you ask for their information in the DM. So we ask for their first name. Once we got their first name, we ask for their email. And then once they have finally given their email, then we just give them the guide. And you can do similar stuff for webinars. You can do similar stuff for masterclasses, live things. Like all of that is still possible. And you can also just build this yourself. Like I have a video on my YouTube channel where I explain how you can set this up yourself. It's like a 10 to 15 minute video, very easy to set up. And it's also good to know that once you got someone's information inside the DMs, like their email, you can also directly send it to your email marketing platform. So that works as well. So that's kind of my first thing, is like you need to make sure that you collect all of the lead information in the DMs and don't send people to a landing page. So that's the first thing. Then the second thing is then, okay, now we turn them into a lead with such a chat funnel. Okay, how can we turn that lead into a customer? And we use multiple follow-up strategies. And the follow-up strategy basically depends on what the product is that you're offering. And you often have low ticket product, medium ticket product, high ticket. Low ticket is anywhere between $0 and $50. You have medium ticket that's anywhere between $50 and $250, and you have high ticket is like $250 plus. So I'll just quickly break down how I should do it for each type of product. So let's start with the first one, and that is how to follow up after a freebie if you have a low ticket product, so anywhere below $50. So what we do is we confirm the interest, we get the name, the email, we deliver the lead magnet, and then we do a direct upsell. So we don't send anything more. We do a direct upsell. Basically, hey, I have another product that works well with this lead magnet, with this freebie, with this masterclass, whatever you give away for free. Here's something that we have for you, and this is a special deal only for you. And this is actually something that I did with one of my clients. So what we did with her is she has a roadmap. It's a free roadmap. This is all in Dutch, but basically it's kind of the same setup. So we ask for their name, we ask for their email, and then we give them the roadmap. But then after we gave the roadmap, what we actually do is we say here, hey, we got a deal for you. This deal is only available for you because you just downloaded the roadmap. And it's a checklist. And this checklist is normally 25 euros. Now it's only 15. With this checklist, you will get all of this and this and this and this. Do you want to get it? And then when they click on this button, they directly go to the checkout page. They can pay the 15 euros and that's done. And with this funnel, what we actually got is we got over 3,000 Instagram DM conversations. From those 3,000 Instagram DM conversations, we had about 2,500 emails. So that's kind of this part of the funnel. And then there were 400 people that actually went to the checkout page, which is a lot. Like a lot of people are interested in it. So this is what you can get if you have a simple funnel like this. Like if you have a low ticket product, you can directly upsell them, like directly do it. That's basically what we do with our clients. You just directly upsell a paid product if the paid product is between $0 and $50. So that's the first thing. Then the second thing is for medium ticket products. So that's between $50 and $250. And we actually have two options for this. We have option 1, option B. You can use both of them. It's whatever you prefer. But the thing is with medium ticket products is it's often hard to sell in the DMs if you just send them a lead magnet. Like if I just sent you a lead magnet, you're probably not ready to buy a $100 product, right? Then you basically need to build more trust first. Like you probably don't trust me yet. I'm just a random guy on the internet. So why would you buy a $100 product from me? I also don't know. So that is what you need to do. So kind of the first approach that you can take is you deliver the lead magnet and then you first give away more value. So that's what we did with some of our clients, is that we say, hey, here's a guide. Oh, and with this guide, we have a checklist. Oh, and this checklist, then your next problem is this. So for that problem, we have another guide. And for that problem, we actually have a step-by-step video. And that's what we have. So you actually send more value first. And the goal of sending more value is to build more trust. When you give away free stuff to people, they trust you more. When they trust you more, the chance that they will buy from you in the future is higher. So that's basically what we do, is we send more value, and then we do an upsell. That's one of the approaches. Then the other approach is to invite them to a webinar. So you do confirm interest, get name and email, deliver the lead magnet, and then you invite them to a webinar. And why this works well is they've downloaded your lead magnet. They are interested in the stuff that you sell, but not ready to buy a medium ticket product yet. But what you can do is you can invite them to, again, a free webinar. And then on the free webinar, you give them value, but you also upsell a higher ticket product or a medium ticket product. That's what you can do. So that's what we have done with some of our clients. We also just have created webinar funnels. But this, for example, an example of a webinar funnel that we created for Ruslan. So he had a webinar, how I used AI to build a 100K e-com brand. And then we used this funnel to promote it on his Instagram. So we basically ask for people's first name, their email, and then we give them the instructions on what to do next. And if you want to build a similar webinar funnel, or webinar funnel that you can use to get the webinar signups from Instagram, I actually have a YouTube video on my channel. So I will link the YouTube video in the description, but it basically explains how you can get more webinar signups and the best way to get webinar signups from Instagram. And that's by creating something like this, like asking all of the information inside the DMs. So that's with medium ticket products. You either give more value, and then you do the upsell, or you just invite them to the webinar and you sell them on the webinar. That's the other approach. Then we have the last approach, and that's for high ticket. That's for anywhere for $250 or plus. What we then do is we deliver the lead magnet and then we ask a question. And at the moment they reply to that question, that's the moment when we start qualifying the lead. So what you have with high ticket is that you often, in your Instagram account, you get a lot of DMs, but you also get a lot of DMs from people that are not qualified. They don't meet the qualifications to actually buy your program. So what we often do is that we qualify the lead. We ask a bunch of questions so that we know that they are qualified. And then if they are qualified, that's when we book an appointment with them. And we often do this by creating an AI setter. An AI setter is an AI that works inside your Instagram DMs, and it can automatically qualify leads and book appointments. And then if someone has a question during that conversation, it can just answer that question because it's trained on all of the information around your business. So that's what we typically do for clients, is that we create an AI setter that can automatically qualify the leads and then book an appointment if they are qualified. And I can just show you the results that we got from one of our clients. Within, I think, the first month of launching this, they got over 1,515 visitors. So those are people talking to the AI. We got 706 opt-ins. So those are people that actually gave their information and also booked a call. Then we have 226 confirmed calls. So these are calls that actually happened and people gave their info. And from that, we have 21 clients. So the average program price of my clients is $5,700. So this AI setter attributed to like $120,000 in revenue. So believe me, this can definitely work for your business as well. If you're already working with high ticket, you're already manually qualifying people, they can use an AI setter that does that for you 24/7 automatically. And now you might think, oh, but this is maybe super hard to do. But actually it's not. Like I have a video on my YouTube channel that explains how you can create your own Instagram AI setter. So I will just link that in the description. So if you're interested in doing that, highly recommend going to that video as well. And that's it. That's how you can turn freebie leads into customers and start making money. Now, none of these follow-up strategies matter if you're not collecting leads inside the DMs. So in the next video, I will show you how you can turn half of your commenters into leads with a DM automation.